Right, so now we're looking at overheads and costs. So every business has got costs, and there's two types of costs: overhead or fixed costs, right? And then you get variable costs. So let's look at what those are. As the name suggests, fixed costs stay the same, irrespective of the amount you produce. And I advise that you write some notes down here so that you can go back to them. So a fixed cost, no matter how much money you make, you still pay the same rent, for instance. So, and variable costs change with the different amounts of items produced. So the more coffee you make, the more milk you're going to have to buy. So it means that's going to go up and down, okay? But your rent, for instance, will be fixed. It'll stay the same. His coffee shop business, rent is one of John's fixed costs because it doesn't change when he sells different amounts. If he makes $1 million that month, he still pays the same rent. The cost of the coffee beans is a variable cost because it changes. The more coffee John sells, the more the cost of the coffee beans will be because you have to buy more. You understand the difference. Sometimes it's difficult to decide whether a cost is fixed or is it variable. For example, the cost of cleaning staff uniforms will be fixed if the number of staff is fixed. So if you've got 20 staff, you have uniforms for 20 staff. But it can be variable if the number of people working in the shop changes. So for example, if using casual part-time workers, if an item can be classified either way, place it where it is the most often. So if you're not sure, because it could be either way, think about where is it the most often and then put it either into fixed or into variable. Right, that's it for that one. So go ahead and try this one for me, darlings.